This place is dirty and dirty. This place should be home to large birds. Excavation department. Very obvious. Looking for something to eat. I still have to get these. Look at it. This flower looks beautiful. What about this thing? It belongs to the natural astrology family. Good, but ain't right. I found a fruit tree. Look at this. This
Why
is
did
his
I
leaf.
see him with my old eyes?
Because his branch is different from other trees. This wild fruit has its branches facing down like this. He's growing downwards. Is it different from other trees? Not serious at all. Unfortunately, there is no fruit. It is still very simple to go up this tree easily. So, this thing, it's called Garcinia edible. It's just a little sour. You can actually eat anything that is ripe or unripe. Make seasoning. It's very good. I just took a closer look. These vines are not simple either. I just found out where its leaves are. This is the mechanical vine. It's bleeding. Too bad it didn't this thing to me now or this thing. That's good stuff. This leaf I thought was a midnight yam. Look carefully. This is a little swamp. This kind of place is best not to pick. I'm in. If I'm really in, it's hard to get out. Fuck. Is this footprint fresh enough? This should be at least 100 kilograms. Hey, there are more here. This belongs to the second senior brother. I know what you're going to say. Tell me to fuck him. Just my equipment. This kind of place. Water and salt. Plus there are more bushes. If it is used, it is normal. But if you encounter that thing, run away. The faster you run, just do him with my equipment. He was killed after 2 taps that way. Look at that chicken blood vine on that tree over there. Première c'est olive. It's too far away. Look here, I come now, these vines. You see this one? This whole one is chicken blood vine. Don't you believe it? Hey, practical operation. Let me show you. You say? Waita minute? Ah, I didn't cut it on the meat inside. He'll have that red one in a while. This one is at least decades old. It's hundreds of years old. Keep it for Save it for those who need it. Mainly because I'm an old bachelor and I'm useless. If you had a girlfriend, right? It still works. What kind of fruit is this? Oh, it's called tissue grass. Also called wild peas. His fruit is edible. Crunchy, salty, and sweet. C'est un fruit. It tastes similar to that temperature. This is the seed in the middle. Iblak said. Look at this seed, a little bitter. This meat is sweet, a hint of sweetness. Comment c'est? No sud-ouest good. I seem to have found the path that second senior brother took. Isn't that obvious? Look at these bites he broke. He dug this hole too, right? It's too steep to go up. Get out of here. This place is too dangerous. I'm just looking for something to eat. No need to talk to him. Fight against each other, right? Here's another one of these. It looks good. It should be good to take it back as a potted plant. This is not his flower. This is the flower of Yesanjiang. You say? Oh, this is Yazan River. It's a nice-looking thing. Mainly his flower. This flower is the same as that jade. Bright green looks very good. Finally, I saw another wild fruit. See, an edible one. Dojinshins, fruit. Pick some. I haven't had this in days. Premier misitabit. Very sweet, this thing. Look, this little fruit. It's all ripe. Delicioso. I'll pick a little. There's nothing to eat except for yams. It's yams. Someone is below. Dator sit muche s'occuper. Put it in his bag. You see, this little printing. Tiblas. Takitawe. Wait a minute. Done, the second senior brother. This place is dirty and dirty. According to this sound, it should be carnail, the self-modifying kind, and it's close to me. What do you mean? In fact, I'm not afraid of something unclean. In generality, we are alone outside. Learn to protect yourself.